Hi everyone, I'm Ryan, After Sales Manager and Analyst here at Talos Drones.
And I'm Brayden from the Talos sales team.
And today we have a brand new drone here for the US market. It is the Agris T25P from DJI, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing. Alright, so we got the drone unboxed here, and first impressions is it's a really lightweight drone, really small, pretty easy to move around, perfect for a solo operator actually, because I'm not kidding with this thing being like really lightweight, like it's really lightweight. So that being said, it does have a 20-liter tank, so that is about 5 gallons, and it supports up to about 44-pound payload, maybe 50-pound with the spreading system attachment. So the spreading system is going to be the main upgrade with this as well. So this drone in total, it's basically an upgrade of the T25, which was the predecessor. The improvements on this is you'll notice that it doesn't have the gimbal camera anymore. It's using the fisheye lens. So the safety system on this drone is called the Safety System 3.0. Think like a combination of the T50 safety system and the T100. Obviously this doesn't have the LiDAR, but this the safety system on the T25P has been improved significantly, and its specialty is to handle mainly like hilly and rough terrain, such as orchards or any type of like high vertical angle situation. It is basically able to detect about 195 feet away, and again with the fisheye lens, so now instead of having a dual vision system, it now has a tri-vision system. So it is utilizing that fisheye lens for obstacle avoidance as well. So as I mentioned earlier, this drone has a 20-liter capacity with its tank. It is able to cover up to 4 gallons per acre, and its swath width is about 25 feet. It can be upgraded to a orchard kit. I believe it's called an orchard kit. That is the 2 additional nozzles on the front as well. That allows it to go up to, I believe, around 7 gallons per minute. And yeah, you're not exactly getting the output as you are with orchard application, but you'll get the versatility and you'll get the obstacle avoidance. Again, this drone is more meant for solo operators who are operating on small to medium-sized farms, so maybe even of about maybe 50 acres. On top of that as well, there is a spreader attachment that comes with this. As I mentioned before, it is a 55-pound capacity spread tank. And with that spread tank, it is able to do up to 480 pounds per minute. On top of that as well, it has a swath width of, I believe, 25 feet as well. And yeah, so we're gonna take a look at the remote. Haven't opened it up yet, but I believe it is just your standard RC Plus remote. So far, that's what it's looking like. All right, so it is going to be the RC Plus 2 actually. So you can see it's a lighter gray tone. It even says on the back DJI RC Plus 2. So the T25, it uses the regular RC Plus. This is the base, essentially the upgraded version of the remote controller. This is also what the T100 uses. So that is pretty much a general overview of the specs of this drone. Again, it can cover about up to 40 acres an hour. And it is also, the purpose of this drone is not really meant to be kind of like a gigantic, like overarching thing of like this drone could do so many things. It's more meant for smaller applications. It is meant for solo businesses, for example, like solo spray services. If you need something compact to carry around with you. Again, like I said, this drone is really light. It is very light on its own. So it makes it way easier for people to kind of carry around with further operation, have a solo operation, and then also ideal for small farm sizes, probably up to around maybe like 50, maybe even 100 acres if you push it. But yeah, so that is a kind of general overview of the tech aspects on this side for this drone, and now I'm gonna hand it over to Brayden to go over the sales side.
All right, now we're gonna go over what you can expect when you purchase a ready-to-fly bundle with the T25P. So we got 2 main options that you can go with. You can either get the 3 batteries and the charger, or you can get the 3 batteries and the generator. Now let's open a box of one of the DB800 batteries. This one's pretty lightweight compared to the T100 batteries. I'd probably say this is about 20-ish pounds, and the T100 batteries are closer to like 35 pounds. So again, this is what you kind of would expect with one of our bundles. You can either get the 3 batteries, the remote controller, the T25P drone, and you compare that with either the charger or the D6000 generator. So with both of those, you can expect about the same charging time for fast charging, around 8 to 10 minutes. The only thing is that if you're going to get the C8000 charger, make sure you always use fast charging, or else it is going to take quite a bit longer than the generator. So we are currently accepting pre-orders for this drone. We are offering free demos and training alongside the purchase of this drone. If this interests you, you can give us a call at 800-953-0923 or email us at support@talosdrones.com.
All right, that was the unboxing of the T25P. Again, I'm Ryan with Talos Drones.
And I'm Brayden from Talos Drones.
Be sure to stay tuned for more videos.
Like, comment, and subscribe.